This is our Ecoline sliding patio door automatic opener safety test. It's crushed. We need something bigger. It's actually in still good shape. You could eat that. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, so good. All right, everybody. We've all seen the incredible Ecoline triple pane patio doors and what they are able to offer. But there's one thing I haven't shown you guys yet, and it's the new, it's the wave of the future. It's the new hot item in town. That's right. I feel like a millionaire walking through that door. Close it up. Look at that. You put that on your keychain. It's a key fob. There's also a wall-mounted button. I mean, how does it get any better than that? So you can see we have a motorized device up there, and this can be installed on new doors. Can also be installed in a retrofit situation. You can put it on your existing Ecoline patio door. So this takes the cake for probably coolest thing I've seen Ecoline do, and it's the only company in Canada that'll be offering it, and it's incredible. I mean, how do you beat having that kind of convenience and just how cool that looks? It also has a locking device that will allow so that you're not able to just open the door. So it has an additional security feature, and you can have that. So if you want to let someone in your house and you're not home, you can go on your phone. You can use a key fob. You can open the door, close it. Another cool feature here, I have a little canine sensor tag. Put this on your dog. If no one's in the house and the dog wants to go outside, you can walk up to the door, and then it'll open it slightly. Just enough so the dog can go out, and then the door will automatically close behind. When the dog comes back, it'll open the door again, close it again. Really neat feature. I'm sure that not all dogs will be able to train to be able to do that, but the ones that can, that's really cool. And a nice feature again to have. This is just a really neat system, to be honest. The fact that we're able to offer this kind of stuff now is really, really cool, really exciting. And I think I might have to get one for my house, to be honest. I like it. Another feature with this door, it's not just a sliding door, it's not an automatic door, it's got everything. It's got key fobs, wall mounted, canine, also has the smartphone compatible. You can actually share this this software, this app with someone temporarily. So let's say you do have a dog sitter that's coming over to your house, they can access the app. They don't have to have any keys, they don't have to have any garage codes, anything like that. They can just open it and close it with the app. So that's also a really nice feature. There's a pet mode on there. There's an automatic feature. This thing does it all. We are officially in the future with this door. And again, it's a great patio door. It's a triple pane. Nicest door out there, I think, that gets made. And then you throw in the automatic opener. Life's pretty good for you, guaranteed. Of course, we're worried about if we had our pets in there, kids, and the door's closing. Is it gonna crush my hand? Is it gonna hurt somebody? Of course not. That's a real nice safety feature on this door, so you don't have to worry about that kind of thing. I know that if you were worried about the door closing, take your arm off, especially with this high quality frame that we're dealing with. But not today. It's a nice feature. Looks really good. Cool. What I'm gonna have for supper tonight. Oh, that'll wake you up. That hurt. God damn. Don't put your head in the door. Nice door though. Okay, we haven't done one of these in a while, but it's one of those ask questions. And again, we're online, we're reading around, and someone wrote the question: can a sliding door crush a window sample? Let's find out. The answer is a hard no. Test number 4, our videographer's camera. It's too safe. It's too nice. Test number 6, the crayon. That is one fucking nice door.